Slow motion effect looks beautiful, I admit, but that wouldn't be enough for me. I just always feel like adding something unusual to my videos. You know, everyone likes something unusual. My name is Dmitry Volny, I'm a filmmaker, and now I suggest you to play with time a little bit. To do this, take one filmmaker with Mi 10T Pro. Choose the location, get a little more atmosphere using light, set the props, bring an actress, fix the phone on a slider and move on to the settings. The great thing about Mi 10T Pro is that it provides us with entirely manual control of the camera settings. This is the function number one if we talk about professional shooting, and this is absolutely necessary for our idea. After all, you are the filmmaker here, so you decide which settings to use when shooting. This video is being shot in 4K resolution and 60 FPS. 60 FPS will let us slow down the video 2.5 times, and 4K resolution will make it much easier to work with masks at post-production. So, let's get it! First, we shoot the whole story with the actress. After that, without moving the camera and without the actress, we're gonna raise all the props from the table, one by one. Try to do it as smooth as possible, and don't overlap it with your hands. When the table is empty, get the camera back in starting point. Now we can move on to editing. You should cut out each of the objects. There are as many masks as objects. It's not that difficult, but time-consuming. So, be patient, it's worth it. Then, we put together all the layers, speed the rise moment up, and it's done. It would be a mistake to think that it is the lack of an expensive cinema camera that stops you from making cool videos. Don't think about it. Get the Mi 10T Pro, use your imagination, and just film it.